Hi, I'm Will Anadu from the Yacht Sales Co. Welcome aboard Allambie, a 1997 Catalina 400. This is a well-maintained 40-footer. The owners recently upgraded to a 39 horsepower Yanmar engine and put in a new bow thruster for easy manoeuvring around marinas. Come on, let's go have a look around. As you can see, Allambie is a well-maintained 40-footer. If you'd like to set up an inspection, please be in contact with the information below. I'm Will Anadu from the Yacht Sales Co. Thanks for tuning in.